Hey, I just wanted to make a quick little video to show you how you can do a recording on your computer. So the first thing is just going to be to log on to zoom.us and go into your account. Everyone should have that already. Excuse me, because we've been doing a couple of calls. So you're just going to go to host a meeting with video on, launch the application, join with computer audio. Now you're on camera. So the biggest thing is just to remember to hit the record button down here. So now I'm recording and I can do my whole little video thing, whatever. Stop the recording, end the meeting, end meeting, and you'll see that automatically it's going to start converting the video. You're going to save the file, and as far as the Mac goes, it just automatically pops up. You're going to want the MP4, that way it has the video and the audio. Rename it as your name, and then you're going to go to a site like WeTransfer. You're going to add that email to Gab Cucinotta, send your email, you can add the message, and then the file. So that's how we're going to do things, and if anyone has any questions, just don't hesitate to ask. Thanks.